Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn about Incredible India, the places, incredible places of India. Do you know there are many awe-inspiring places in India? What is AWE? Oh, what we say? Oh. So when we say oh, just you see also oh. So when we say oh, when we see any something stunning, which thing stuns you, which surprise you, on that time what you say, oh, that, that is this word OWE, oh. So I'm going to teach you today some awe-inspiring places in India which will make you drop your jaw in surprise. Really, it will make your jaw drop in surprise. So let's start it. Oh my God, look this place. How beautiful is this place? Do you know it is in India? Yes, it is in India. Do you know what is this? What is the name of this place? Lunar Crater. Right, Lunar Crater. And where it is, do you know where it is located? It is located in Buldana district of Maharashtra. Yes, where? In Buldana district of Maharashtra. And what's the name of this place? I'm asking again. Lunar Crater Lake. Here's the one word crater. Looking here, crater. What is the crater? Understand first. A crater is bowl-shaped depression. You're looking this shape. What is the shape of this place? Bowl-shaped. Okay. So what is a crater? A crater is bowl-shaped depression or hollowed out area produced by the impact of a meteorite. You know meteorite? Yes, this is meteorite. The meteorite where you find this in space, and it is created, means meteorite creates the crater. Not only the meteorite creates the crater, this is the crater, oh sorry, this is the meteorite, it creates the crater. And I said you, not only the meteorite creates the crater, or also the volcano, by the volcano activity or an explosion of the volcano, we get the crater. Looking the way where the this place are looking, it can be the crater also. And after stop burning this volcano, this place will be the, can be the crater also. So you have understood what I mean, how, what is crater. Okay, so and the more about the crater, I was the which I've shown you the lunar crater. Basically, about that I am talking. It is made by the one meteorite. And how meteorite makes a crater? Crater produced by the collision. How? Crater produced by the collision of a meteorite with the earth. When a meteorite collide with the earth, what happens? It creates the crater. Understood? So this is the crater and the name is lunar crater. Now more know about this. It is the only hypervelocity crater on the earth. It is the only hypervelocity crater on the earth. Do you know what is hypervelocity? Yes, hypervelocity is very high velocity. In physics you have studied the velocity, the speed. Okay, that is uh, velocity. So hypervelocity is very high velocity. And do you know what is the velocity of this, or the speed of this meteorite? Can be over 3000 meter per second. The speed of the meteorite can be how much? Okay, over 3000 meter per second. Do you know in a meter how many feet are there? Can you tell me how many feet are there in a meter? Yes, 3.3 feet. In a meter, how many feet? 3.3 feet. If we will calculate with this, the convert in the meter to feet, how much it will become? 3000 meter equal to near about 10,000 feet per second. My God, the speed you are talking about, the speed, the hypervelocity. Okay, how much? 10,000 feet per second. We ride the bike or we drive the car, the maximum, how much? 120 kilometers per hour, 140, or if we will talk about any racing car, how much? 200 maximum, and it is not safe also. Okay, how much? 120 kilometers per hour. It means in an hour we can ride how much our bike or car? 120 kilometers. But the asteroid, oh sorry, meteorite speed. What is the meteorite speed? 10,000 feet per second. 3,000 meter per second. Yes. So this is the lunar crater made by the meteorite. Okay. And it was formed. When it was formed, we have to know about this. When this meteorite came and made this crater, we must know about this also. It was formed during the Cretaceous period due to the meteorite. Okay, so here's the word Cretaceous. What is this? The Cretaceous period. It began 145 millions ago. Oh my God! When when was the Cretaceous period? 145 millions year ago and ended 66 million year ago. So this is Cretaceous period. It is also a saline water lake. What is saline? It is also a saline water. You are looking the water color. It is green. Okay, and the water is what? Saline. What is saline? Saline water is water that contains a high concentration of dissolved salt. What? High concentration of dissolved salt. Means its water is salty, not salty, very much salty, and we say that to what? Very salty is that saline water. Okay, what is that? Saline. Okay, so and it is the world's oldest meteorite crater. It is the main basic thing. What is this? Is this crater, lunar crater, is the world's oldest meteorite crater. This, due to this, is this thing, our crater is most important than other. And I'm going to make you stun more thing by giving one more knowledge about this crater. It is the I said the it is the world's oldest meteorite crater. How much years ago it made? I'm going to yap you. How many? 52,000 years ago. Yes, yep. You heard that right. 52,000 years ago, the lunar lake was formed. Yes, and this is the Earth's largest and only hypervelocity impact crater in ballastic rock. The largest even also. This is the Earth's largest crater. And one more thing, we were talking about the meteorite. Which meteorite came on our earth and made this? Okay, do you know that meteorite weight that was 2 million ton? What was the weight of that? 2 million ton. My God, the weight of that meteorite was 2 million, and the speed was 90,000 kilometers per hour. 90,000. We were talking about the feet or meters. It is 90,000 kilometers per hour. Which meteorite made this crater, lunar crater? That's weight was 2 million ton and the speed was 90,000 kilometer per second. So this is the history of this lunar crater lake. It's very nice and stunning, which makes us awe-inspiring. So I will teach you now next.